Six-pack of Coronas, a performance poetry piece. The title of this video is You Are the Poetry. A writer writes, they say. A performance poet performs their poetry. So what happens when a poet performs their writing? I asked my colleague, Stacy Dawson Stearns, if sitting there and writing was enough for an audience. And she said, it is enough. And this is how Six-Pack of Coronas came to be. We've had 6 vintage typewriters restored by Ruben Flores in Highland Park over the last 14 years. When he would return the typewriter to us, he'd say, "These typewriters will outlast you." I call these 3-foot-long pieces of paper long necks. We set up the typewriters in a circle, and I move from one to the other, filling each page with free verse poetry, inspired by everything from my surroundings to all of my lived experiences. I invited some of my colleagues to come and have a conversation with the installation at Pieter Performance Space in Lincoln Heights, and this was the result. 3.5 hours of writing, 6 long necks, and much performance, poetry, rhythm, and movement. At Typewriters Anonymous, we say, you are the poetry. And you might think, I am the poetry? And I'd respond, we are the poetry.